Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to your cart on Pandabuy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pandabuy website. And if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into your homepage, if you wish to buy various different items, then you can simply click on the product option and then use the search box to search for your product. Once you find any product that you are interested in, you can just click on it and you will be able to see the product details. After choosing the specifications and the size, you can just click on the checkbox to agree with the terms and click on the add to cart button. And now this item will be added to your cart right away. In order to complete your transactions, you can click on the cart menu at the left side and click on cart checkout. And now you will see all of the products that you have added to your cart, which you can tick and then proceed to payment by clicking on the submit button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add items to your cart on Pandabuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.